Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can reverse Dokkan of the unit. So please go to hidden potential first. As you can see, this is my Trunks, not awakened yet because I make him 100% activation of his hidden potential. So I want to make him back again to Dokkan awaken like this. You can do simply tap the reverse Dokkan awakening, but you also have the option in team menu, this one, tap the reverse, and this one, reverse Dokkan awakening. Please tap select this all character that I need to reverse. Just tap the reverse Dokkan awaken and your character back to Dokkan awaken. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.